I have my daughter Avery here to help me
Hi.
pull the rest of these nails because I'm losing my mind with it. I will save you all from the nail pulling because it's gone on and on and on and on, and it will continue on with the next building. So very, very nice to have Avery come and help. Thank you very much. It's a little motivation to have a little quality time with my girl. So I think this week we're going to just do a tour of where we are.
Let's move some nails.
It's Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, and I put in a stop work order, at least on the building.
Yes.
We're preparing to have our family come for Thanksgiving, and we're going to have a feast here.
Woohoo.
The weather is perfect. We're
It is
so
insanely
lucky.
nice.
We will have to get back to work though, because I think days like this are probably numbered. We're going to have a little tour. I'll show you around. I'm going to start down here at the waterfront for a change. Sick of looking at that building. This is the porch that we moved and have turned into a shed, and we started putting some stuff into it. It's actually quite rooming. It's the same size as the sea can, so we got some shelves and stuff, and I think this is going to be great. We got lots more stuff to put in there. More storage. That's awesome. There's our raft is still out there. It's going to have to go on the lift here pretty soon. Won't be long. The ice will be coming down, and the current comes towards us here. So that's what those big pipes are out there. Those are ice breakers, so that when the ice comes down the river, it hits that and breaks up. And it's just small pieces that come and hit the dock and go around, and it doesn't do any damage. There's quite a bit of room over here, which will be our main area, I think, this lower level. We've got these canoes. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Thought I wanted them here, but nobody's really used them. We may take them up north, but for now they're just stored here all along this armor stone wall. We are going to have a beautiful garden, I hope. We put in some metal edging and filter cloth, and I haven't taken the filter cloth off yet, and that's because I want it to stay in place and the dirt to settle, which it has had plenty of time for that, but we'll probably add some topsoil here when we get to doing the grass and that. So I'm excited about that. As you can see, the house there, the door to the basement, that is going to remain in place, and I'll show you inside there. We'll just come around this way. This is where we're going to have our Thanksgiving feast up here. Eventually it's going to be my terrace up here. I don't know whether we'll do concrete or interlocking pavers. It'll be a mystery to us. This ladder's just sitting here. It looks funny the way it sits, but it actually is for out on the dock. There's one on the dock on that's this side here. You can see that. I want one on the other side to mimic it. And it just would help when boats come up that are when the water's low, they can step out onto that. Not really for swimming, although the swimmers do use it. But here's our set of stairs here. We got a set of stairs that go up to the terrace, and everything needs some tweaking. It's been good to have time for it to sit and settle, so that when we do the tweaking, it's going to be perfect. I hate to put concrete or something up there on the top of the terrace and then have it all settle and crack. And a set of stairs here. This set of stairs here, the kids do swim off it. They like to jump off of it. I just like to be able to get right down to the water. And if it was all just break wall like this, I wouldn't be able to do that. So I love the rock break wall. So we initially started with metal break wall that was all falling in and breaking down, and we were just going to replace it. We thought that'd be the easiest, but the conservation prefers the rock like this because of the wildlife, and we do see a lot of wildlife with these rocks. The mink love them. We have quite a few mink here. So we're going to have a little fire. It's kind of warm for a fire, but it just seems so beautiful out here. And we do have quite a bit of firewood that we moved down here for fire, so we might as well burn it. Let's go on up here. There's my little Leia Lou. If you haven't met her, our little Shih Tzu Leia, Princess Leia, actually. And we call her Princess Leia because we think her little black buns look like, the ears look like Princess Leia's. Oh, she's not even interested. Oh, you little poo-poo. That's a Shih Tzu for you. That's what they're like. So, got the table set. I did not have tablecloths because everything's packed up in the sea can. But I did have a bag with wrapping paper in it, and it actually wasn't wrapping paper. I had a roll of red tablecloth, so it looks a little Christmassy this year. But I cut some of the cotton asters with the red berries in that, and I think it's lovely. And I mean, the weather is perfect. Look at these clouds coming in. They're just perfect because it's a little bit warm too. So we're in the trailer, drinks in the cooler, roasters for food. I'll put the food out here. And Brad are you cutting the turkey in here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look at that.
It's really nice.
Oh,
it's like
good.
Super moist. It's going to be a good turkey.
Oh, I can't wait. Our guests will be here soon. So I'm going to take you for a little tour inside because I know it's hard to actually put together what's going on here. This little spot here, these rocks, we're going to have some great projects with those. And it is cut in. Let's see if you can see this. We will do break wall here. There's going to be break wall that goes along here to the house. That ramp of dirt is going to go. That's just there for machines to get up and down. But there will be always 2 levels here because when the building moves, there's the restaurant. We call that the restaurant because it was the Bluebird restaurant at one time that we are recycling into our home. And very soon we are going to lift it, turn it, and butt it up against this part of the house that's going to remain. So this is behind the garage. When you look at the front, it looks like it's just a garage and there's not much, but there's actually quite a bit in here. And I'll show you. This is inside the basement of the side we're keeping. And there's not going to be, the footprint isn't going to change too much. This is going to be a room. This window here is going to extend down some. So it will be bigger so that we can see out the dirty windows. I apologize, but it is a river view here. So that will be nice. This room is, you're like right on the water here. So it's kind of cool. The gas fireplace that we have, we're thinking we're gonna put it here. That's the stove that's upstairs. I'll show you when we go upstairs. These ceilings are only 7-foot ceilings, but we're gonna raise them. So it's gonna go up 2 feet. And then the next level is gonna go up 2 feet. And that means that the garage will go up 4 feet in total. This is a bedroom. It will be remaining with a closet. And again, this window will be brought down with a river view. Here's where it changes, is over here. So this area here are stairs that go up. This is all going to be blocked in. We're going to lose these stairs, and that this is going to become a bathroom for down here. There's a storage underneath the stairs, so that'll all be bathroom. There will always be a door here because this is going to turn into our utility room. It'll continue to be a utility room, but there'll be a door there that goes into the new basement. Yeah, so we'll go upstairs. So this is the family room behind the garage that's still in place, and we're still using it. Our heat has been shut off because the gas is shut off. But I set a little electric heater on top of this gas fireplace. This is the one that's going to go to the basement. I think it'll look really cute in the corner. TV still works. I kept my plants in here because there's not a lot of room in the trailer, and I just want to keep them alive. I'm pretty excited about my orchids. Here's an orchid my cousin Jennifer gave me. It's going to bloom again. Look at, there's a Shih Tzu out there. Hey, baby cakes, don't go anywhere. And this one is wanting to bloom again too. So they're happy in there, and I'm in here, and I want to leave them as long as I can. Here, we can look out the window. You can see there's the old porch. And that's where we're going to have dinner tonight. They should be here anytime. I'm very excited. So there is also a bedroom in here, and this is the primary bedroom of the house and where we've been staying. It has a bathroom, and it is big enough for our king-size bed, side tables, and dressers, with a view to the river. So the plan will be, this will be the secondary suite. These windows will be expanded, and the family room will be our primary bedroom. This closet is probably going to be the door that goes into the bathroom, though. This hallway will stay, and right here will probably be a door that goes into our bedroom. So that means we'll have to block off this area right here, and all of this over top of the stairway will be a closet. And where the TV is, there's actually going to be a window, and that'll be my bathroom with a nice big soaker tub under it so I can look out the window at the river. I'm super excited about that. That door there was the original exterior door on the front of the 2-story. We put that there. Outside is that pit. But eventually that will go into the new area of the house. This garage is a good size garage, but we do have to move a lot of stuff out of here so that we can demo in here. We'll have to take all the drywall off so that we can lift the roof. The roof will go up a total of 4 feet in here, and we'll get new garage doors. And the door to go into the house will not be there. It's going to be here, and it'll go into the laundry room. So if this helps you at all, there's the door right there. It's covered up. You can see just the bottom of the door was the end of the hallway going to this pit where the 2-story used to be. But where this door opening is, the big door opening is here on the restaurant. That is approximately going to go against that door there. So you'll walk down the hall and in that way. We've been keeping the boat at a friend's house, Ron and Shelley. Thank you so much, Ron and Shelley. It's a lot to have in the way, right? But we brought it home, and we filled it with stuff for storage. Like anything that's boating or water or sports stuff, we thought we might as well put it in there. This is the sea can that we've got most of our possessions in and furniture. Temporary power there. The temporary power, it goes to the trailer. The ground is all muddy because we dug in sewers that went in there. So we are just about prepared to spend the winter in the trailer. Might be a little chilly. My dad bought us a heater to go underneath. We're going to order a skirting, and we'll be getting at that. So we'll just have a quick look in here because we've been in here a lot lately, but just to put it in perspective, now that all the walls are gone, this will be the front door. We'll come in the front door, and you come down. This is the laundry room. The laundry room door will be there. This hallway will go down to the 2 bedrooms, which are over there in that building. So doing a reno like this, as you can imagine, does get tough. There's good times and bad times. But days like this really let us know what we're doing it for. And you know,
it's gorgeous out here, and we're going to have the family coming. It's going to be awesome.
Doesn't matter what your house looks like, it's the love that makes it a home. And our family's coming to spend Thanksgiving with us here, and we're so thankful for that. Well, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Cheers.